Hi YouTube. So today, with the help of my friend Kev, I managed to get the whole of the floor right in the boot area. Yeah, it's too much rot and too many patches to warrant repairing it, so I've decided to replace all of it. We've also found some more nasty here, rotten, nice big hole underneath. It's a bit more repair work than what I wanted, but it's got to be done. I'm going to use the original straps, brackets, and fit new gas shocks to them. If I can get the right parts to do it with. Also started to take the floor out, which was not an easy task at all. Without Kev drilling the right holes in the right places, I would probably made a mess of it. And so all this has got to come out, and as you can see, on top as well. Still a lot of work to do. I'm sure it'll be worth it in the end. The other side of the floor is in really good condition, so I'm going to leave that be. Just take up this bitumen like tar stuff and replace it with some proper soundproofing. So this is going to be replaced as well, this section, as well as the front section. It's been overplated very badly, very poor repair. I'm going to cut out part of the chassis and replace it with new. I'm also going to cut out the front section here, probably tomorrow, and brace it across the engine bay so we don't lose any structure of the chassis. So yep, that's progress. On to the next stage.